Hello, I'm Chris Rylant, a sales engineer for the J.R. Smith Manufacturing Company. I'm going to take just a couple of minutes to review with you some of our fluid controls accessory products. First is the trap primer adapters. A trap primer adapter are used with floor drains and P-traps that do not offer a trap primer connection in the drain itself. The adapter is compatible with a standard P-trap and ABS or PVC floor drains. It is furnished in either ABS or PVC and comes in 2, 3, and 4-inch sizes. It's available with a 1/2 inch MPT threaded connection or with a 1/2 inch compression fitting or a 5/8 inch compression fitting. Also, push to connect fittings that we refer to as our suffix CTS are available in 5/8 connection. It is easily installed using the appropriate solvent cement and provides a 360-degree adjustment prior to the permanent installation to provide a straight routing back to the trap primer valve. These adapters are made exclusively for J.R. Smith and are of extreme high quality. Next, we'll look at air gaps. An air gap, as it relates to the plumbing trade, is the vertical space between the water outlet and the flood level of a fixture. In our application, we are using an air gap with the Solo electronic trap primer units. This vertical space creates the required backflow relief. Air gaps have other uses in the plumbing system where this type of product is applicable. There are 3 sizes and configurations available. Each configuration contains the vertical gap required per code. These are cast lead-free brass and are available in chrome or nickel-plated finish. Next, we'll look at the access doors. Access doors should always be considered for various installations, particularly for access to valves and other devices typically installed behind walls or in ceilings. Remember, if it is a mechanical device, sooner or later it will require maintenance and access. We have different size doors to fit every application. Access doors are suited for new or remodeled installations. The doors feature nice rounded corners. The door and frame are fabricated from 16-gauge galvanized steel with a prime coat finish. The frame is a one-piece construction, providing perfect concealment of the rough plumbing wall opening. A concealed pivoting hinge prevents distortion and allows the door to close completely. Doors 24-inch or larger are provided with a continuous piano hinge and a screwdriver-operated latch. They are prime coat finished, which is suitable for painting. Fire-rated doors are also available. Bottom line is, we have a quality constructed door for every application. Finally, we'll look at dielectric unions. Dielectric fittings are used to join pipes together made from dissimilar metals to avoid electrolysis, which can lead to corrosion and pipe failure. These are required by code in all states. It is a maintenance issue that impacts many industries. The plumbing and HVAC industries often deal with galvanic corrosion, which can damage piping when proper measures are not taken. However, by utilizing a preventive measure like dielectric fittings, these industries can significantly reduce the extent and cost of galvanic corrosion. We have various sizes in threaded by threaded, threaded by groove, and groove by groove. These fittings protect your plumbing system through an exclusive steel to plastic design that establishes an effective dielectric waterway. These are applicable for continuous use up to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. You can learn more about these and other J.R. Smith fluid control products and accessories at our website, www.jrsmith.com, or by viewing our other J.R. Smith product videos on the internet. Thank you for your time and have a great day.